In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable Google Meet in Gmail. If you're someone who prefers a cleaner inbox or you simply don't use Google Meet from within Gmail, turning it off can make your workspace feel much less cluttered. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen as I explain each step. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see your emails on the right and your navigation panel on the left. This is the standard starting point for making changes to your Gmail settings. Next, we're going to head into the settings area. Look towards the top right corner of your Gmail window for the small gear-shaped icon. That's the settings icon. Click on this gear and a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side. You'll see a few common options there, but for what we need, look for the link that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the full settings page where all of Gmail's options are organized into tabs along the top. Now that you're in the full settings view, find the tab labeled Chat and Meet. It should be among the row of tabs near the top of the page, alongside others like General, Labels, and Inbox. Click on Chat and Meet. This section controls how Chat and Google Meet are displayed inside your Gmail interface. Within the Chat and Meet tab, look for the section specifically labeled Meet. Here, you'll see options that control whether the Google Meet section appears in your sidebar. By default, Gmail may show a Meet area in the left-hand menu where you can quickly start or join meetings. If you don't use this, it just takes up space. To turn it off, select the option that hides Meet. The wording may say something like, hide the Meet section in the main menu. Choose that option. This tells Gmail not to display the Google Meet panel in your sidebar anymore. Once you've selected the option to hide Meet, you're not quite done yet. You need to save your changes so Gmail knows to apply them. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page if needed and click the button labeled Save Changes. Gmail may refresh or briefly reload your inbox view. After it reloads, look at the left-hand side of your screen. The Google Meet section should now be gone from the main menu, leaving you with a simpler, cleaner sidebar. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled Google Meet in Gmail by opening Gmail, going into Settings, selecting the Chat and Meet tab, choosing to hide Meet, and saving your changes. If you ever change your mind and want Meet back, you can return to the same Chat and Meet Settings tab and select the option to show the Meet section again, then save your changes.